Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so happy that you find this YouTube channel. So, if you know that you don't have money or capital for you to start trading your Forex account in 2026, then this channel is for you. And also, if you are watching this video right now, you don't have money and you want to make money in 2026 without you having to spend a dime of your money, without you having to deposit any amount, all you have to do is to stick to the end of this video and make sure you like this video, share it with your friend, and be subscribed to this video, because if you don't now, this might be your last chance. Alright, so now moving on, in this video I will be showing you how you can get a free $30 no deposit bonus. When I mean no deposit bonus, you don't have to deposit any amount. All you have to do is to watch this video and I will show you how you can get it, where to get it, the terms and conditions for you to be able to withdraw it. Yes, you can be able to withdraw this money and I will be guiding you through everything that you need to know. So make sure you watch this video carefully. Okay, so right here on my screen is the platform that we'll be using. But before we start, if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, take a moment right now by subscribing to my YouTube channel so that you won't be left back when I drop another no deposit bonus or profit account. So now the link to get this free $30 no deposit bonus account will be in the description of this video and will also be pinned in the comment section. Once you click on the link, you'll be taken to my Telegram channel, and once you get to my Telegram channel, you will automatically see the link that has been pinned here already. So once you click on the link, you'll be brought to an interface like this showing up right here on my screen. So once you get to this interface, this is where the real work is now going to start. This is where you have to focus, because if you miss out on any step or any explanation, you will forfeit your account. You miss the chance of getting this free $30 no deposit bonus. And mind you, once you forfeit your chance of getting this $30 no deposit bonus, you can't come to my DM or comment section to come and cry for help. No one is going to help you. So make sure you watch this video till the very end. I will be explaining the terms and conditions. So now, once you get to this interface, the next thing for you to do is for you to scroll down. So as you can see, this is our $30 no deposit bonus that we'll be getting. This is it right here on our screen, and I will be explaining the terms and conditions for withdrawal. I'll be telling you the things you need to know in order for you to be able to make withdrawal. Okay, so as you can see, let's read from here. Trading bonus, this is it. This is the trading bonus. This is it. All IST wallets. The name of the broker is IST Market. IST Market. Okay, so all IST wallet 100% covered. They are trying to tell you that your account is very secure. Okay, all major credit card is 100% covered. Your card is 100% secure. So that is what they are trying to tell you. And instant account funding. Immediately we claim this $30, you will receive it immediately without any delay. No hidden fee or commission. So there is no hidden fee or commission. Okay, so now as you can see, if you scroll down, this is another 30%, but this one is not a no deposit bonus. This one is a deposit bonus. Okay, when you deposit $500, you will get 30%. When you deposit $4,500, you get 20%. This one is different from the one that we are going to be making use of. And as you can see, another ways to make money is by you inviting people that will put money, that will deposit money. So if you want to refer your friend, you can just click on claim now under here. So these are more of the promotions that this broker are running. And I want you to know, I am able to be where I am today because of Forex brokers. I mean legit one. So now this is where you have to pay attention to the terms and conditions. Can I withdraw the bonus amount itself? Trading bonuses cannot be withdrawn. This is it. While the bonus itself cannot be withdrawn, all profit earned from trading with the bonus are fully withdrawable at any time. That means you can withdraw your bonus at any time. Can I participate in multiple promotions at once? You can just click on it to know more about it. So now We haven't talked about the terms and conditions yet, but we'll soon talk about it. But without wasting too much of our time, let's scroll up, up, up. So once you get to this place, just click on claim now. So once you click on claim now, you'll be taken to an interface like this whereby you have to fill in the necessary details. And if this is not your first time of watching my videos, you will know what to do and how to do it. But for those of you who are watching my video for the first time, I'm going to explain what you have to do. Enter your first name, your last name, your password, write your password again, confirm your password, and you can select MT5 Trader. I think MT5 Trader is the only trading platform that you can use. And USD, you can select the currency, which is USD. So this is the only currency you can use, okay? And you might be able to later select it. Enter your date of birth, your country, and choose a classic account. So once you're done, just click on next. So I'll enter my own and I will get back to you shortly. So now that you are done with the first step, it will take you to the second step where you have to enter your address. Number one, your address line. Number two, and the city you are from. Okay? So once you are done entering it, just click on next. So I'll be entering mine right now. So you to enter yours and it will take us to the next step, okay? So once you're also done with the second step, it's going to take you to the third step, which is where you're going to be entering your nationality, where you are from, your employment status, your occupation, the name of the company, and your profession. Okay, so let me just do mine and I will get back to you shortly. So now that you are done, it will take you to this last step where you have to select the necessary things. Just fill in the right things. You know the right things for yourself, just fill it in. It is kind of personal, okay? So once you are done, just come down to this place and click on start trading, okay? Click on start trading. Let me just do mine and I will get back to you shortly. And if you need help in getting this $30 no deposit bonus or in passing through this place, whether you can be able to get through it, just comment in the comment section. Drop a comment in the comment section. So now that you are done, a message will be sent to your email. Okay, a message will be sent to your email so that you can activate your account and proceed into getting your free $30 no deposit bonus account. So the next thing for you to do is so once you get to this interface, as you can see, this is our login credentials. The next thing for us to do is for us to activate our account by clicking on client area. So click on client area. Okay? So once you click on client area, you'll be taken to an interface like this. So enter your registered email and password. So let me just enter my registered email and password. This is it right here. This is it. So click on link. Okay? Let's calm down. So to confirm your account, all you have to do is to come to your email and click on confirm address. It has been sent since. So click on confirm address. So you'll be taken to an interface like this. As you can see, it has been confirmed. So the next thing for you to do is for you to come back to your email. So once you get to your email, the next thing for you to do is for you to click on what we clicked on the other time. So scroll down and click on client area. So once you click on client area, you'll be taken to an interface like this. Now that your email has been verified, you won't be declined. You will have access to it. As you can see, now we've gained access to the entry. This is it. Don't forget that in order for us to be able to get our free $30 account, we have to verify our KYC. Alright, we have to verify our KYC. So once you get to an interface like this, the next thing for you to do is for you to upload your documents, for you to verify your KYC, okay? So in order for you to verify your KYC, you have to choose the document by clicking on browse, okay? Click on browse and select the document that you want to use. maybe your national ID card and anything that you want to use. So once you're done, just click on upload document. Okay, so once you click on upload document, your account will be verified. And after your account is being verified, let me show you the next thing to do. The next thing is for you to come to your account settings, for you to come to your fund account. So let's go to fund account. So once you go to fund account, you'll be taken to somewhere like this. But the reason why you are being brought to this place is because you haven't been able to verify your account. So once you get to this place, you'll see the next thing to proceed with. So that you won't be confused. Let me show you the simple term that I see the other time. So once you are done registering the account as a new client, the next thing for you to do is verify your identity and your address, as you can see right here. So immediately you are done verifying it, your account will be credited with $30. And the only way for you to know whether you have been credited or not is through your email. So you'll receive a message inside your email. Okay, as you can see, the bonus cash out, yes, only profit can be withdrawn. So this is it right here. This is it. Congratulations to you guys. If you have been able to get your own, let me know in the comment section. I love you. Bye.